Want visitors to fill out your Fillout form without leaving your website? Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to embed Fillout forms on a website step by step. We'll cover how to get the embed code, add it to your site, and test everything before publishing. First, sign in to your Fillout account and open the form you want to embed. From your dashboard, select the form to access its editor and sharing options. Once your form is ready, click the Share button. This opens the sharing panel, where you'll find options for sharing a public link or embedding your form into a website. Next, select the Embed option and copy the generated embed code. Depending on your website platform, Fillout may also provide different embedding methods to make installation easier. Now open your website editor and navigate to the page where you want the form to appear. Add an HTML or custom code block if your website platform supports it, then paste the embed code into that section and save your changes. After updating your website, publish the page and open it in your browser. Test the embedded form by completing a sample submission to make sure everything loads correctly and responses are received as expected. If the form doesn't fit perfectly on your page, adjust the embed settings or your website layout. You may need to modify the width, height, spacing, or responsive settings so the form displays properly across desktop and mobile devices. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a Fillout form on your website. Now visitors can complete and submit the form directly from your site. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more simple technology tutorials, and thanks so much for watching.